blood clot because you love to name. Dirty, stinking, fat, sour girl. Not
Nah,
talk them,
man.
sit them, none of blood clot here, your big, stinking, dirty blood clot girl. Them the argument that a petite girl we actually want fuck. Your
Boy.
pussy clad handbag big like you would need 99 pounds of flour. Me never see
Boy.
one handbag big so yet a blood clot. It's like somebody take one big blood clot bag of flour, throw in a one container, mill up it, bumbo clot and plaster. Me say, mama, wanna feel your blood clot. Your handbag on my leg. This is one of your hand, you know. Mama, me say this is one of your blood clot hand. Me couldn't believe it a pussy clot. Me say your hand couldn't hold through one of my shorts foot. Me say your hand can't go through my shorts foot. Don't talk about sex. We don't need to hear that from you. Big and stink, no blood clot.
Oh,
Mama, you for shame. I never hear Hakeem talk of your blood clot. Me say me can't delusional of blood clot because the woman when me married to me hold that Camilla for me. Me supposed to blood clot talk about she. Me supposed to run miles and bricks for that for me crutches. You understand me? You delusional for no reason. You never smell the boy breathe yet. Not even the man body will you know, sniff out. Much less figure blood clot get lick like what the fucking delusion I go suffer. You think that them they call them bring back man? Me see up on a live with one of my friend them look big and desperate, can't even breathe on the live. See how you lay down for the live. Call him. I don't want him to see me.
You know what he see me? Pretty dad. Pretty dad, you're wrong, pretty dad. Oh God, man.
Mama, you struggle for breathe.
Pretty dad,
no one lay down and struggle to fucking breathe. You want man so till you know say man you like your asthma pump. You need a fucking Ventolin, mama. You couldn't breathe. You lay down on the bed, you want man so much, you know say hard.
Glad pretty dad had done. Pretty dad had done runs.
And you don't realize you want man so much you will live in God that ground for him. The man not even want to see you. Not tell him say me. Not tell him say me. Not tell him say me. Not tell him say
Yo. When them done with Rose are going to be happy.
Me say look on this big blood clot right Nazareth of a woman. The woman can't blow. Me say kiss me rascal. Get up and go walk, girl. Big stinking overweight, girl. You sit down. One big fish tank on that they show there. One fish and a whale. Me I wonder what the blood clot, what this Dorian blood clot name. This look like a fine